Well, hello, thank you for joining me today again on the Church History Trail, and you're very welcome indeed. And we're continuing here in MANOR Forest Park, and there you can see the gateway there. But where we're heading now is we're going to head towards the forest, and so we're not going to walk too far because I have dodgy knees, as you know, but there's a few wee things that I want to bring to your attention as we walk, and certainly the scenery is absolutely beautiful. And so you can see the lake from here, or the pond should I say, and there's it down there at the bottom. So that's the first thing I want to bring to your attention. I love the forest, but unfortunately I can't walk the way I used to be able to walk. But such is life. Scenery's breathtaking, isn't it? There's something peaceful and beautiful about the forest. Now you can see the wall running up the top there, running along, and the other side there's the garden, and I took you into the garden in the last wee video. So we're coming up to the second thing that I want to show you, which are these trees. Not only are they some height, but they are unique in shape, some of them as well. As you can see, because they seem to be growing outwards and then up. So pretty unique. There's definitely some height up, aren't there? But look at the shape of them, some of them. You'd wonder how they grew like that, wouldn't you? Very, very strange. I've noticed some trees like this in Lady Dixon's Park as well, where the trees are growing at a funny shape. As you can see, but pretty beautiful. And we're coming now on this third thing that I want to show you about MANOR Forest Park. And it's the lovely bluebells, the carpet of bluebells. Isn't that just fantastic? Beautiful. Now I have to watch here because it's a wee bit muggy, and I certainly don't want to get mucked up. Not like the last day in Curry's Glen. But look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, they don't last long. So that's the third thing I wanted to show you, was the carpet of bluebells. And we're going to make our way down to the next item on the agenda that I want to show you. You can see more of the bluebells there. Some of the trees are absolutely beautiful, aren't they? I love trees as well. I love rocks and I love trees. It must be the creationist in me. But I certainly appreciate God's wonderful creation, there's no doubt about it. Beautiful. That is actually 1, 3 and 4, I think. Look at that. That's actually 1 tree grew into 4. Quite amazing. Quite amazing. There's more bluebells. You can see the wall there through the trees of the wall garden. There's more bluebells. So that path there will take you up to where the wall garden is. But we're going on straight. And we will be coming shortly up to the 4th item on the agenda that I want to bring to your attention. Good to see the sun out. It was pouring out of the heavens when I was coming to Cookstown this morning to preach. But thankfully it has cleared up. So we're now at the 4th item that I want to bring to your attention, which is the wall. As you can see, so that wall runs right up to where the wall garden is, up that direction. So there you go, it cuts off here, so it doesn't, you can see the moss now grew on it. So the wall garden possibly, well, there's no remnant of it going down there, so obviously it must have stopped here, plus you can see where it's kept, so obviously this must have been part here of the wall garden at one time, or at least of the estate, and then the rest of the estate is the forest today. Pretty amazing. So I'm going to take a wee walk down towards the forest there, through the forest, but I'm not going to go too far. But I want to show you the 5th item on the agenda, which is this here. Now, the first thing that springs to mind for me is it looks like a giant beehive, but it's certainly not a giant beehive. What that actually is where they've cut the branch off, and then that's how it's left. So that's what that is. As you can see. So it's not a giant beehive, even though it looks like one. So you're able to touch it, and it's as hard as rock, and you won't get stung. So there you are. And I see some wee hole in there, so whether there's anything in it or not. I would say wee animals living in there. That would be my guess. And